This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, today session is 19c database software installation and database creation. And my name is Ahmad, and I'm database consultant instructor, and I'm Oracle certified, cloud certified, Golden Gate OCP, and I'm working from many years in Oracle. And also, I have scaled to give training on Oracle, Linux, cloud, and other technologies. And these are the platforms where you can catch me: LinkedIn, FB, Twitter. And these are my technical blog: OracleRide.com, dbtet.com, ittutorial.org. And this YouTube channel I have started last month on 28th May, and that is OracleRide.com is my blog, and OracleRide is my YouTube channel. And today I will discuss database installation. So basically, you know that the database of install, we can do types: database single instance and rack. So this practical or this session is based on the single instance. Okay, so let's begin with the installation part. So this is the putty where I will connect by the IPs of the putty. And the first thing in that, you need to check that whether your host is pinging or not. So ping. So first, if you fire this command, host name CTL status. So basically, this command is new. So this will give you hostname 19c.OracleRide and Oracle Linux and architect this 64-bit. Okay, and after that I will ping to the machine, so it is pinging, and after that I will ping any net website, so google.com, so it is pinging. Okay, because internet is required for this practical, because we install all the things through one file. And before that, I will go with the SE Linux. So for Oracle, you need to set SE Linux permissive. But here, if you check that config file, SE Linux is enforcing. So first, I will change it. So I will go to that file. That file reside basically in etc folder, in SE Linux folder, and then file name is config. So when I will open, so see, this is enforcing. So I will change into permissive. Okay, I will change into permissive and save it. And after that, if you check the status of this file, so current mode will not change. See that that is enforcing, but the reading of the file is showing permissive. So you need to restart the machine, or you can fire this command. So that is as set enforce permissive. Now again check the SE status. So now see that file reading permissive and current mode is permissive. Okay, and after that I will go with firewall. So firewall should be deactivate. Now it is running. So I will fire the command se systemctl stop firewall D. So this will stop the firewall. So again check the status. So it is showing dead, and then I will disable the firewall D. So it will remove the links. Okay, so this thing is required for installation. And now from 12c we have automatic setup. So for that, there is a one file that is Oracle Database pre-install 19c. Through yum, we install the things. So it will install the package, it will edit the kernel parameters value, it will create the user Oracle, it will create the group OPER, DBA, RAC, KGM, DGM, backup. So these are the things. Okay, here there is one process is creating a problem. So I will kill 3357. So this is done. Now again, do that. Yeah, so now it is working fine. So see that the history, it is reading the file, and after that it is done. So now here after this, you can check whether Oracle is created or not. So ID Oracle, so see that Oracle is there, and also O install, DBA, OPER, backup DBA, DGDBA, KMDBA, and RAC DBA group is created, but password not set. So I will set the password of Oracle right now. So you can give any password. Okay, so password is done. And also for graphics, we required some X11 packages. So I will install through yum that thing also. XORG server, XORG, XAuth, XORG apps. So these packages is updated. These packages installed, and dependency and this updated. And after that, you need to check X forwarding should be X forwarding should be yes in the file of SSHD config. So see that X11 forwarding is yes. Okay, so and also check the status of SSHD. So system CTL status HD, it is running. You can restart if you want. So I am restarting. Okay, so that is done. And after that, we create the directories for where we install the software. So mkdir-p option we use and we create it. And then after that, we change the ownership to Oracle O install. So chown is the command that is basically Linux command, and this, and then we will give read, write, execute permission to user. To groups and others, we give only read, execute. So chmod -r775. And after that, we need to fire xhost command. So from putty, if I will fire xhost plus machine name, so it will not work. Okay, because for that you require VNC server or Xming server to enable the graphics on putty. Okay, so I'm not going into that way. So I will directly go to the server, and here I will do the things first from Oracle, and after that from first from root, and after that from Oracle. So xhost 19c, so it is done. Xlog, we can check. So cloud is coming. Just come out, and I will say restart. So when I will restart, this putty session will be disabled. Okay, so just close it. And again, I want to connect. So this is 19c, load, open. And when machine will come up, then it will show here. Otherwise, it will give timeout error. Yeah. So see that machine is in boot mode. But after that, it is asking for user and to connect the machine. Okay. So same thing is started. Now I need to do from Oracle. So when I go for Oracle, so basically uh, this will ask some informations. Yeah, this is about. So Yeah, next, and then off, and next, then escape, and then this, and then close. Okay. And from application, I will come out. I will take this terminal, and here I will fire X host plus 19c. So it is added, and then X clock. So clock is coming now, perfect. Then we need to add the virtual box Oracle into that VBox SF. Okay, so when I add that ID Oracle, because I mount a folder, so that's why I'm adding Oracle into that group so that Oracle can easily access. So C Oracle, and then CD media and ls. So this folder you need to add Oracle into VBox SF. So here I will go with 19c ls. So this. So the difference is from 12c. We copy this file to the folder where I will put the binaries. So I will copy this folder or this zip file uh, to here. Okay, so it is copying, and after copying I will unzip here. Okay, this is the difference. So I will go here and see that this is ls, so I will unzip here. That is the difference from 12c or 18c actually. From 18c you need to follow these steps. And so I am unzipping in the folder where binaries will install when we install a database software. Got it? So see this after running run installer, this window will come, graphic units installer, and here I will go with the software installation and database creation together, and then I will choose the server class, then I will choose enterprise edition, then I will go database Oracle base U0 app Oracle, please remember that, and Aura inventory U0 app Aura inventory username o install, and then after general purpose database. Okay, then I will go with the non-CDB and database name is ORCL, and then I will not enable automatic memory management. Only this character set is okay. Sample schema you want, you can take it, and then next. And then it will ask normal file system U01 app Oracle or data. Yes. then I don't want to cloud control, then I don't want to enable FRA, okay, and recovery, and you need to set the password for different or both should be same. So I will go with same. Why need to set a different password? Because it is very hectic to remember that. And after that, OS-DBA group is DBA, OS Oper group is Oper, backup DBA, data guard, DGDBA, encryption key management is KMDBA, and real application RAG DBA. Okay, so everything is perfect. And now, if you want automatically run current configuration is skipped, so you need to check that. Otherwise, don't do that. And then next, now it will check the prerequisite, so only swap error will come. Yeah, so ignore it, and then next, and then yes, then it will say save the response file. So I am saving here, then I will install the product. So it will take around 10 minutes as per my past experience of installation of 19c, but it depends on your virtual machine behavior. Sometimes it took more time. So now it is preparing. So preparation is done. Now it is linking the binaries. You can see the terminal, linking OID client, linking RDBMS, linking utilities, linking adapters, linking RMAN utility. So every utility it is linking. Okay. After linking, it will go with the setup. So just wait for a few minutes, and then we are good to go to start to the database. Yeah, so now preparation linking setup is completed. Now these two scripts we need to run from root. So already I have enabled the putty. Clear. So in on Notepad I have written these files. So first file, it is asking, uh, uh, let me check. Yeah, Aura inst root.sh. So Aura inst, it will change the permission of your Aura inventory. And then another is root.sh. It will set the Oracle home basically, and that's it. Okay, so that is okay. And now it is configuration netca. Okay, and then it will go with dbca and it will create the database. Okay, so today it is going very perfect, and so 10 minutes, within 10 minutes it will create, I hope. So today is lucky day for us. Because yesterday I was trying and this machine was not behave properly, but today it is going good. So this recording will be complete in very less minute, so that I can upload on my YouTube channel, that is OracleRide. Because DBCA will create the database, so that's why it is configuring DBCA, and netca create the listener, so that's why it is done before the DBCA. Okay. So almost 76% complete in 4 minutes. Let's hope for the best. So see, this 12c installation, 18c installation, and 19c installation are same system I follow. but the only unzipping the database software method is different from 18c that I have told you. Okay. Now I have changed my webinar time. So next onwards, I will do my webinar in afternoon because of I can outside of India, people can also attend the webinar, and that is the main concept to change the webinar time. 5 minutes done. Come on, come on. So if you do on base server, then it will be very fast. But if you are doing on virtual machine, so it depends on your core processor, CPU, and RAM, and what process version you are using, i3, i5, i7 on laptop. So I have i7 9th generation processor. This is my latest laptop. Six-minute passed. Now it is creating and starting Oracle instance. So it will go with the boom. Okay. Yeah, perfect. 80%, almost done. 7 minutes passed. 84. Now completing database creation. If you see that in screen, so almost done. Now 8 minutes passed. So my time calculation was almost accurate. I said 10 minutes. So let's see, we finish in 10 minutes or maybe more. Because in OCM exam, time matters. Everything you have to clear within time limit. So that's why I'm doing the practice for creating the database like this way, so that I can learn by heart the steps and command. 86. Come on. 9 minutes complete. So this is my 21st webinar from last 2 months. I had done almost 21 webinar to help DB community. I had taken backup session, I had taken rack, I had taken multi-tenant architecture, I had taken Linux machine creation, I had taken 12c database installation, 18c database installation, I had taken cloud computing, I had taken data guard session, I had taken rack cache fusion, I had taken Azure fundamentals, I had taken process memory, I had taken memory changes session, and I had created a session for how to book the cloud exam, how to give the exam on the same that day. Yeah, done. So it is almost 10 minutes completed. Perfect. So let's close this. So now it is perfect. Now this machine, this is not required. Now I will go and set the bash profile. So I will go log in, or you can directly go to set to that. So it's up to you. So better to go to login to Oracle, and then vim dot bash profile, and I for insert mode, then come here and then paste it, and then save it. Okay, and then run the changes. So this is done. Now create another environment related file. Sorry, uh, that is db underscore environment. In that, I will set the environment related things, SID, home, path, LD library, class path. Okay, so that is done. Then I will go with run these changes. Then I will fire SQL plus command /SysDB. So see, it is perfect running. So first, I will check what is my database version. So V dollar version is the thing. So see, Oracle Database 19c Enterprise Edition 9.00. Then I will check about the more detailed information like uh, instance name, version full status. So version full is 19.33, edition, status, edition, EE, enterprise, database type, single. Okay, so these are the thing, and then whether my database is CDB or PDB. So there is no CDB, no container ID. It means it is non-CDB architecture. Clear, guys? So this is the 19c installation, and I hope it will. This session will help you. Okay, and source is my online documentation, and you can contact me oracleride.com, contact me session. You can register for free webinar registration. You can give the feedback, sessions feedback. So thank you guys for joining this session, and you can mail me ahmad@oracleride.com. And if you have any questions, you can write me or you can ask me now. Okay, so that's it for the session. I hope you like it. And next session will be on AWS, that is tomorrow at 3 p.m. So we will meet you in that session. Thank you.